Jason, it's the Freeburg Garage, and we are back with another Kemimoto install for my Harley-Davidson FXR. Kemimoto was kind enough to send this to me. Now, this is a Sissy bar bag that's going to have all the bells and whistles. They don't cut any corners on this one. This is one that is going to be an on-off bag and is great for storing the majority of what you need, essentially what a Sissy bar bag can hold in the back, beyond saddlebags. So, let's open the box, check it out. Let's get on the bike. All right, so this is how it comes. Just a standard flat cardboard box, nothing special. So let's open it up, check it out. All right, I dig that outside. It definitely has a material that I feel like it's gonna hold up like a real tight backpack. And you're gonna have some, right there, reflective tape up front here. Of course, that's going to be facing the back of your bike, so that's nice for extra protection. We have some side storage here with some straps here, I'm assuming to help out on the bike. We have our, looks like our strap for the actual Sissy bar there. The carrying handle. We have pockets, which is always nice to have on the side there, so you guys can see that. One is closable, one is open. Storage on the side there, and storage on the side here. And this is our rain cover. This is not a weatherproof outside. Let's get this thing loaded down and on the bike. Let's see how much this Sissy bar bag can hold. Starting off with the side compartment here. I have a quart of oil. My bike's old, it likes to burn it, so we're gonna put it on the side there. All right, and I have some side compartments over here. And we're gonna start off with the one on the left side with a jump pack here. This is mine, so you can jump start your bike or charge any components you have. My bike doesn't have any fancy USBs on it, so this is my way to charge everything. And then we're gonna have this side compartment, which I already have a rag apparently inside of there, so that's gonna stay. And I have a kickstand holder there, prevent it from going into the asphalt, sliding out on gravel. Very important for my bike. Put that in there, close it up. We have some cables for that jump pack. We're actually gonna store those right in the inside pockets. So we got those going there. And we have my knife, slide that in there as well. Let's see here. We also have a little bit of entertainment speaker. If I'm going somewhere particular, I want to have music for the outside. Put that right on the side. And we're going to now get a helmet. This can store a helmet in the inside. So we're going to put this in, see how it works. Now, definitely tight, but luckily there's a fix for that. This bag allows you to use these zippers and expand the bag here for extra space. Perfect. And we're golden right there. All right, so we got extra space for there, and we even have compartments on the inside right there that are sealed away. So we're gonna put a shirt. If you're going somewhere, stuff gets dirty, we'll make sure that's stored away. Lock that up. And then we're gonna fold over our cover here. There we go. Now, gloves. Get off the bike, where you gonna put them? Stash them right up on top here. Use that jaw cord, and bam. We are packed away, look at that. Now, let's get this on the bike. I'll show you guys a couple different ways you can carry it. Two ways of carrying the bag to your bike or off your bike, right? You have one, my favorite, the main tote handle. Carry it to your side, wherever you need, good to go. Strap, throw over your shoulder, easy to go. Hand it to anyone else, hang it up, wherever you need, off the tree, on the counter of your hotel, whatever it is, you're safe, everything is inside, you're good to go on the next ride, all right? So let's get this on the back of the bike, see what it looks like. Mounting the bag onto your bike, there are 4 different straps that come additional with the bag to be able to adapt to whatever you have for your Sissy bar to be able to load it down depending on what your situation is. Mine, I'm gonna use the main strap for my Sissy bar, and that should do us enough to be able to load it. This bag is wrapped in a anti-slip grip type of material, so wherever it lands, it's gonna stay and be positioned and not slide all over like a slick leather would be possibly, or another type of material. So you can either mount it a couple different ways. In particular, you can have it facing out like this and have your safety straps or your safety indicators out like that and be good. Or you wanna save the paint like myself, we're gonna load it up just like that and get it strapped in. We'll take our easy Velcro strap, get nice and tight here. There we go. And we're strapped in just like that. Now, and it also comes with a rain guard that you can just slip right over. You see something coming. Not too sure what it's gonna be like here in the future. Load it up and you're good to go. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the side. Bam, there it is, the final look of the bag on the bike, and it fits perfect with the pillion area on my bike. Now if I had a passenger, that'd be much different. Of course, we have to mount it to the back side of the Sissy bar and figure it out from there, but it covers everything that I need on my bag. It got all the storage, I have all the needs for the insides. Of course, there wouldn't be a helmet in the inside because I would be wearing that, so that gives me extra space. But in general, I can store a lot in here for the weekend travels, or if I'm even off the bike going somewhere. It's a fantastic bag to have. It gives you all those extra pockets in the area, and this is a sturdy bag. It holds its shell. It doesn't collapse. It's gonna hold as almost like a backrest for myself when I'm riding on a long trip to be able to just lean back. Now, I will have a discount below. If you guys are interested in the bag, go check it out. Kemimoto, thanks again for sending this, and as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell what you think. And for those that aren't subscribed, thank you. As always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.